Welcome to Thursday. It's September 14th, 2023. Your Day with a Podcast being brought to you by Cowboy State Daily. Did you know that they produce a daily newspaper every morning at 5:45 a.m. every day of the week? To get it sent to your email, subscribe at cowboystatedaily.com. We're going to have a cool day across most of the Rockies and the Central High Plains, with some showers and scattered thunderstorms as a weak trough of low pressure is going to be sliding on through. Temperature readings will be down and clouds will be abundant, and scattered showers and thunderstorms will be here and there, especially over portions of central southern Wyoming, Colorado, then across the central and southern areas of the Rockies on both sides of the divide. But the Pacific trough will continue southeast and will be clearing most of the area by late Friday. We'll still see some areas of showers and thunderstorms in the southern Rockies and southern plains overnight Friday into early Saturday, clearing elsewhere. So basically this weekend and into early next week, it's going to be nice September weather again. Really quite pleasant. Not a lot going on. Comfortable September temperatures and precipitation chances that are going to be pretty low for most of the region. Trough and a front is due to arrive the middle to the end of next week. So I think through probably Tuesday, maybe Wednesday, not a lot going on. But after that, we've got a change coming. But there's a lot of differences in the computer modeling, a lot of disagreement. We are going to have a larger trough and front come through the Rockies mid to late next week. We have low confidence in the exact details, like exactly how cold it's going to get, exactly how wet it's going to get, and where the wettest, coldest areas are going to be. But our confidence is high that we've got a trend change coming. There is a change late Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and into next weekend coming, a change to colder, unsettled weather. But the devil will be in the details, and we'll just have to get closer to get those details sorted out for you. As the trough approached yesterday, a few mean-looking clouds came in across the region with some areas of showers and thunderstorms in many areas yesterday. And as we take a look at the satellite imagery, we can really see where that trough of low pressure is, with the area of cloudiness, higher content water in the air, with the low pressure coming in about here, heading slowly this way today. So what that will do is going to produce some shower and thunderstorm activity as this broad trough comes on by. Not a terribly strong nor terribly cold system. But you can see for today through tomorrow, this is where the coverage of showers and thunderstorms are going to be the best. This is for today through 6 p.m. on Friday. See Colorado kind of in the center of the heavier chances for showers and thunderstorms, and moving across the southern plains, scattered areas of showers and thunderstorms across Wyoming, parts of the Dakotas and Nebraska, parts of the Wasatch of Utah, and into the northern Four Corners area of Arizona and New Mexico. This pattern, though, will shift southeast, and this is what's going to fall Saturday and Sunday. So for Saturday and Sunday, southern Colorado down to Texas, New Mexico, that's where the showers and storms will be. But there's a large swath here where there's just really not going to be much happening. This equates to nice weekend across the region. Temperature-wise, again, something that's going to be quite nice. From Saturday through next Wednesday, temperatures will be at or a little bit above average, not too far above, not too far below in some areas, just some nice September weather. Enjoy it. Longer term, this is where things get a little more interesting. This is by next Thursday morning, the 21st. We have a larger, broader, stronger, colder trough that's going to come into the Intermountain West. This is going to be most likely from late Wednesday, hanging around through at least Friday or Saturday of next week. The trouble is that we're not quite sure if this low is going to become what we call a closed low across the Rockies, like the European model is showing here, or come through as more of, let's say, one piece of a trough that just continues to slide on through rather quickly. It could get cut off and meander here in the Great Basin and stick around for a few days, or by the same time, by next Friday or Saturday, the low could be up here in the upper Midwest. There's a lot of difference in timing, speed, and intensity, but as long as we have this high building in the Eastern Pacific, and we will see that high, some type of weather will be coming through, some type of trend change mid to late next week, maybe bleeding over into next weekend. So we'll keep an eye on that, especially for hunters and travelers as we get to the second half of next week. In the meantime, A little cool and a little wet today into early tomorrow. Nice weekend coming on up. Temperature-wise, though, this is what we're concerned about by late next week. You can see the temperature anomaly. This is by next Thursday into next Friday. So quite a bit of colder air with that trough could be sliding into the region. Could. The devil will be in the details, as I mentioned earlier. So you're just going to want to stay tuned as the forecast will shift around a little bit. Have yourself a great Thursday. See you tomorrow.